Hi everybody, happy Thursday. I have a brand new book about friendship. You know I love these stories. This book is I'm Sticking With You. It's written by Smriti Prasadam-Halls. It is published by Henry Holt & Company, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. I'm sticking with you. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. Whatever you're doing, I'm sticking with you. Whether you're grumpy or silly or mad, through good times and bad times, happy or sad. Whatever you're thinking, I am all ears. I'm ready to listen to all your ideas. Ready to be there to help you along, even if sometimes it goes a bit wrong. Look what happens. He built this little house, Bear sneezed, and look what happened. It looks like it all fell apart. Whatever you're doing, that is the plan. You may think I can't, but I bet you I can, because I will try things that I never would do. Never, that is, until you showed me to. Looks like you showed Bear how to jump. Like peas in a pod, you and I fit. Like strawberries and cream, we are a hit. Whatever the game, I'm on your side. No mountain too tall, no river too wide. Where are they going now? Looks like they're hiking in the cold. We sit by the cliff top, we sit by the lake, we sit by the ice cap. I eat all the cake. Actually, Bear, I think I need to be on my own, if you don't mind. It's getting a bit crowded in here. There's barely any room. And I don't think anybody wants to share cake. Uh-oh. Do you think that hurt his feelings? Really? Are you sure? Look at Bear's face. Oh, okay then. So Bear's leaving. That feels better. Each thing in its place, all neat and tidy. There's so much more space. I can do what I fancy whenever I wish. Nothing's a squash and nothing's a squish. It's such a nice change to do things alone. Whatever I want to, all on my own. I've got all I need. I don't have to share. Everything's perfect, except, what's the except? Except I miss Bear. He has nobody to have tea with. So now what? Actually, hey Bear, 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 come back. Back. Who am I kidding? Where would I even be without you? Who else would listen? What would I do? Who helps me be the best I can be? Who shares their very last chocolate with me? Me without you? It just doesn't work. Me without you, I just go berserk. That's a really good friend to share their last chocolate. What do you think? That's a really nice friend. So, like it or lump it, you're stuck with me. For better or worse, that's the way it should be. Whether we lose or whether we win, we'll be there together through thick and through thin. We'll pick up the pieces, we'll patch up the hole, we'll mend what needs fixing, because that's how we roll. When we're unstuck, we won't fall apart. Look at that, they're working together to fix their boat so they can go canoeing. How could we ever? We're joined at the heart. We fit back together like bugs in a rug, like jam in a donut, like arms in a hug. So, wherever you're going, I'm going too. Whatever you're doing, I'm sticking like glue. And look, they're having tea together again. He missed that. And whether you like it or love it or not, we are a team. We are a team. And I love you a lot. All right. I would love to know what you think about this book. If you want something fun to do after listening to this story, maybe you can draw a picture of you and your best friend and share it with me on our Instagram page. I will be back next week on Tuesday, and I'll have some more fun stories for you. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see you back here soon. Have a great weekend.